You already started? Okay. Hello and welcome to my fetal pig dissection video. First of all, I gotta start with my 360-degree environment. So. Okay. Short my list. I wrote it down with my homework assignment, so don't mind my other assignments. Okay. First thing we're going to do is the urogenital papilla. So, let's see. It is down there. Oh, crap. Where's that? I don't like having direct attention. I think that's just easy. So, what we're going to do is, I'm going to use this to point. So there's the genitals. It's a boy. Ew. Okay. Umbilical cord is this right here. Little piece. The tongue is this part right here. The hard palate, if we can get the mouth open. The hard palate is the top portion up here. We'll figure out what it is. It's that top part in there. The soft palate is back here at the back. Good job. Let's see, the epiglottis. Do I remember that one? I just seen that. Oh, the epiglottis is this little white piece right here above the rib cage. Let's see, the pharynx. I think I said that right. Let's see. Is above the trachea, right in there. Okay, the larynx is below it. Let's see. I think it's that fatty piece in there, right in there. Okay, the esophagus is this piece right here that was cut, and the trachea. I think the trachea was on the side over here. That piece in there. Oh, that's just, yeah. Okay. I don't know what the bronchi is. The lungs are this fatty piece right here, right in there, on both sides. Okay, the heart is this piece right here. The diaphragm, yeah, is this little thin piece on the inside, right here. Diaphragm liver is this big chunk right here. All of this right here. The gallbladder is on the left side. Let's see. This part of the stomach is that piece right there. Right in there. Gallbladder, the stomach. The stomach is this piece right here. A little bag area. The duodenum is the piece at the end of the stomach. Right in there. Hopefully. Small intestines is this big bunch right here. The large intestines is this right here. Right in here. The pancreas. Okay. Oh, let's see if I remember it. I think that's that flabby piece right there. Okay. Nope, that's the spleen. Yep. I hear myself. That's the spleen. I don't know, pancreas. The rectum is the same as the urogenital papilla down at the bottom. Kidneys are right in here. These little fellas in here on both sides at the back. The urinary bladder is this part right along here. The urethra is this little bud here. Let's see. The male penis. Okay. What is that? Urethra. We're supposed to cut all of this out? Okay. I don't know what I'm looking for. I might have had a girl for all I know. Okay. So next, I gotta do the stomach. Cut it from the liver. I don't want to do my fun. Okay. I think that was the spoon. I think that's right. Okay, here's the stomach. Let's see. My dude got some stuff in his stomach, but it's like real slimy and stuff. I don't know what he eat. That's nasty. Then you want to see the small intestines. Why did we stretch that up? There's the small intestine. Okay, end the video.